You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to say goodbye in French. We'll be looking at how to say more useful French vocabulary, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more French. How do you say it? Au revoir is how it is said in French. Au revoir, or in English, au revoir. Au revoir. In French again, au revoir, au revoir, au revoir. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.